Hey guys, welcome to the Makafalavi's vlog, and today we are going to be talking about the unboxing of the Tecno Camon CM. As we all know, Tecno released this device early this January, calling it the 18:9 aspect ratio device, which means this device is a small device but packs a lot of big screen. And today we are going to be unboxing it and seeing what this device is made of. Also, if you want me to give this device away, kindly let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get to the device. So the Tecno Camon CM sports the Android 7.0 operating system, which is layered on top of it with the Tecno customized OS, which is the iOS. It also sports a 13 megapixel camera both at the back and at the front, and it also has 4G LTE. The memory is 16 GB ROM and 2 GB of RAM. So now let's review the Tecno Camon CM. I'm going to just break the seal. Wow, that was pretty easy. Let's get to this device. Oh wow. Okay. So we'll come back to this. Wow, so light. So we have the standard charger. Is this a fast charging charger? So it also sports the normal USB cable. You have your headset. And it also comes with a nice case. This feels pretty nice. If you're a case type of person, so this might look good for you, but for me personally, I don't like putting the case on my own device. So this is the 5.7 inches HD display. So as we can see, it sports the 13 megapixel camera, and this is what Tecno means by the quad flash, because it has 4 dotted flash in this, also with the camera, and it also sports a 13 megapixel camera in the front. You can't really see the 18:9 aspect ratio display on. Let's take this off and put on the device. Wow. So why this is coming up, I think the Tecno Camon CM is ushering in a new phase for Tecno, because this is coming on an average device, the 18:9 aspect ratio on an average device, and a budget phone. So I was thinking the price was going to be way expensive than this, but it's cool. And I don't think the fingers don't really stick on it, so I think it's a light device. The first thing you notice about this device is its weight. This is pretty nice, pretty light. I can do this all day. Pretty light. So it's booting up right now. So let's set this up. So we're in Nigeria. So let me just pick Nigeria. So as we can see, you can see thinner bezels at this side. So this is what Tecno means by the 18:9 aspect ratio, which means they've actually lowered the edges. You can see this is thinner and you have a lot of space, so it makes the screen actually bigger without necessarily increasing the size of the phone. This is still a 5.7 inch display. Let's test out a couple of things on this phone right now. Let's first look at the setup. The device points the HiOS, which is the custom OS for Tecno, and this is the Android operating system, which is the 7.0 version. I hope this device is upgradable. So, but for me, the storage in 2018, I don't think we should have a 2 GB RAM of phone. Probably 3 GB, 16 gig with external storage is still fair. So let's test the fingerprint scanner. Wow, that's not bad. That's really not bad. Wow. So that's about 0.1 seconds, but I really don't like the placement of my hand at the back because I really keep missing the point of this fingerprint. Let's check out the camera. Wow, this is pretty good. Let's see. Oh, this is good. So, and it has a lot of details. It has a lot of details on the flash. Okay, so I think the camera lags a bit, but it does its job. Okay. It has a lot of details. So the 13 megapixel camera at the front is good. So the phone, okay, it sports a 3.5mm earphone jack and also the regular charging port. So let me see if we can actually play. Okay, so typing on this device looks really sleek. Let's check out the sound. So the sound comes from the bass. So, oh, it has only one speaker. But I like this. I think it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent for me. So I think that's that about the sound. So right now I can't really give you much details. It also sparks a 3000 milliamp hours battery, which is not bad. But a couple of 4000 milliamp hours battery smartphones are on the market right now, because we know that Tecno understands that Nigeria needs a lot of juice, a lot of power to make sure that they run a whole day. So I think with this device you can survive a full day with minimum usage. It doesn't mean if you are using it heavily it's going to scale through, but you can do some pretty decent stuff on this device. So I will be using this phone for the next 2 weeks. Then I'm going to give you a full review about the battery life, about using the camera outside, playing heavy games on this device, and other good stuff that you'll be doing on this device. So stay tuned. I might be giving out this device by the end of my full review. So if you want me to actually give out this device, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also comment on why you would like to get this device for yourself. So the device costs 47,000 naira only. So should you get this device? Well, I think if you can afford it, you should get it. It feels premium in the hand. I think it has a very quality build and it doesn't feel too big. It's so awesome. I think I love this device. So you should probably lay your hands on one if you can afford it. Thank you.